In this video, I will demonstrate how to use insert in MS Word. Insert have different tools. These are pictures, online pictures, shapes, smart art, chart, screenshot. Pictures. Click pictures and locate the picture you want to insert in MS Word. Wrap text. Click format or right click and click wrap text. In line with text is the default behavior for pictures in line with the text you type. Square. Square text wrapping keeps a distance from the text to the image. Tight. Tight wrapping is similar to square, but instead of following the line of the bounding box, it follows the shape of the image. Top and bottom. Text appears at the top and the bottom of the image. Behind text. The image appears behind the text a bit like a background image. In front of the text. The reverse of behind text. The image is at the top of your text. Online pictures. On the Insert tab, click Online Picture. In the Bing image search box, type keyword that represent what you want. Shapes. On the Insert tab, click Shapes. Click the shape you want, click anywhere in the workspace, and then drag to place the shape. Smart Art. In Insert tab, select the Smart Art and select the smart graphic you want. Chart. In Insert tab, click Chart and click the chart type and double click the chart you want. In the spreadsheet that appears, replace the default data with your own information. When you've finished, close the spreadsheet. Screenshot. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click the Screenshot button. Then you will see two options, Available Windows and Screen Clipping.